Congratulations on completing the first 6 modules of this training program. Now here in Module 7, we're ready to pull all of this wonderful knowledge together as a professional coach. You should now be armed with sufficient understanding of the aspects of infant development and the neuroscience supporting how an individual accumulates experts in the form of dominance, as well as why some of these experts might power down during extreme sustained stress, otherwise known as modern-day living. Beyond this, we have unpacked preferred sensory modality and have delved down into the importance of flow. At all times, our approach is positive, because not only is every brain unique and wonderful, but we also understand how the habitual use of mind moves can help the individual use neuroplasticity to develop further experts or help prevent the powering down of experts during stress. Now is the time for you to consider how you will incorporate this into your coaching practice. The notes supporting this module takes you through a number of areas of consideration when making use of the Mind Dynamics Profile instrument, such as the limitations of self-completion, the importance of remaining open-minded to the use of multiple instruments, and reiterating that the Mind Dynamics Profile is a brief on potential rather than a sentence. If you are not yet sure of how to integrate this into your coaching model, we have provided you with guidance on how to create an entire coaching engagement beyond the initial profile debrief with the client. Without intending to overwhelm you, we've included 2 further tutorial videos demonstrating further applications of the Mind Dynamics Profile instrument. The first is the Mind Dynamics Partnership Report, the MDPI-P2. This is an extremely powerful tool to use in partnership coaching, whether this be with couples in life coaching or business partners and pairing. The MDPI-P2 report can only be done following the individual profiling of each participant. But the report then takes all the sweat out of understanding what is likely to manifest when these 2 individuals come together. I have no doubt you will find this very exciting. The second tutorial addresses team coaching. This video is less about a report and more about the depth and breadth of insight that the individual profile offers, in particular in the work team environment. In this video, you will be provided with several case studies to illustrate how you can potentially and successfully implement a team engagement. We will also illustrate how the MDPI profiling cards and icons can be used. The Mind Dynamics MDPI-T report is a convenient anonymous reporting tool available to you, and we will show you why. At the end of Module 6, you will have received the instructions and supporting video on how to go about completing a video recording of your first demo of a client report. The final stage of Module 7 is to conduct your first proper client profile. You'll receive an email debrief along with a tutorial on how to access your practitioner profile in the Mind Dynamics portal, load your client details, and process the first questionnaire. Ahead of you diving in to do your live profile, you will go through a role-play trial with a Mind Dynamics trainer to ensure that you are fully prepared and feeling relaxed about it. So putting the theory aside, dive into the supporting notes, enjoy the videos, and then once again, complete the reflection exercise to help you visualize how to incorporate these into your practice.